Polynomial and exponential functions. Polynomial and exponential functions contain terms. Terms consist of coefficient, base, and power. Now let's write polynomial and exponential functions in terms of terms. So I'll write polynomial and exponential. With polynomial tend to have many terms. So if I y equals ax to the power of 0 plus bx to the power of 1 plus c x to the power of 2 plus, and that goes on. And exponential tend to have two terms. So y equals a b to the power of x plus c. So let's write this carefully. So y equals, now x to the power of 0 equals 1. X to the power of 1 equals x. So therefore, if I'm to write the function again, so it will be y equals a plus bx plus c x squared plus, and still y exponential function will be y equals a b to the power of x plus c. Right, so now let's put this into a proper expression. Give an example of a single term polynomial. So y equals 3x squared. In this case, this is a single term polynomial. The coefficient in this case is 3. So coefficient, let me just write that clearly. Coefficient equals 3. The base equals x. So the base is the variable, and the power is 2. That's a number. So you can see a polynomial has a number as its coefficient, and it has a variable as the base always, and a number as the power. On the other hand, if we have exponential function, it will be y equals 3 to the power of x. So what I've done is that's actually 3 times 2 to the power of x. So in this case, I have a coefficient equals 3, and the base equals 2, and the variable, or the power, so the power equals x, which is the variable, and then the coefficient is a number, and the base is also a number. So you can see what switched between the polynomial and exponential is the base and power. For polynomial, the base is a variable, x or t or I, t for time, I for current. And for exponential, the variable, the base is a number, but the power is a variable. So that's the difference between two of them. More example on polynomial and exponential functions. So a polynomial function, a linear equation is a polynomial function. Y equals x plus c. That's a polynomial function. y equals a to the power of x is exponential because the power is a variable. Always remember that. Now, so we can put a number to them, 2x plus 5, that's a polynomial. Y equals 2 to the power of x plus 5, that's exponential. More example, if you have y equals pi to the power of x plus 2, well, pi is a constant number. It's a number which is pi equals 3.14159, and it goes on. So that's a number, but the variable is the power, hence that's exponential.